Well, hey y'all, Peyton Manning here, quarterback for the Denver Broncos, and I'm here to teach y'all how to solve systems of linear equations by graphing. So let's see what we got going on here. We have ourselves our TI-84 Plus calculator, and it looks like we have ourselves a problem. Solve the system of equations by graphing. Y'all, as everybody already knows, the way you solve systems of equations by graphing is finding out where these two lines intersect. Now, what I did for y'all, because I'm so kind and friendly and such, is I solved both of these equations for y so that we could just throw them in right into our calculator. So this is how it's done, y'all. First things first, hit the y equals button right there. Now, we're going to graph both of these equations at the same time. This first equation we're going to make our y1. So type that in, negative 1/2. The way we'll show 1/2 is by typing 1 divided by 2. Seems to make sense. Your x is up here. Hit that. Minus 6. Alright, y'all, that's the first equation. Hit down to get to the second equation. This is a little friendlier. 2x minus 3. Now that we have both of our equations tapped in, let's hit graph and see what we have. There's the first equation. And there's the second equation. Now we're supposed to find out where these two lines intersect, but let's get a closer look. I can't really tell. I mean, I don't know, is it negative 1 point? I don't know, y'all. I'm kind of confused. My eyes aren't that great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate where these two intersect. Well, it only makes sense that the way to calculate them is by hitting that calc button right there. So hit second, trace. And since we want to intersect, go down to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these calculators are kind of confusing. I don't know why they do this first curve stuff. I'm going to make this super simple. Once you hit intersect, you just hit enter again, and hit enter again, and lo and behold, we have ourselves an answer. The intersection between these 2 points is negative 1.2 for x and negative 5.4 for y. So, the answer to this question, solve the systems of equations by graphing, is the point negative 1.2, comma, negative 5.4. And there it is, y'all. That's our answer. Yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay! Boy, oh boy, what a great answer that was. That is more exciting than getting drafted first overall in the NFL draft. That happened to me, y'all, and I won like a bunch of MVPs afterwards. Go me. Well, thanks, y'all, for watching. I hope you learned a little bit about graphing. Go Broncos! Not how? How do you turn this thing off? Is it that button? No, it's not that button, right? No. Wait, no. Is it this button? No, that's... Oh, here it is.